does. It feels really nice. This is one of the cooler mornings we're going to see this week. It is actually going to warm up a bit. We'll have some cold fronts obviously coming in the weeks to come, but for now, we have a couple of cold fronts that don't look like they're going to do too much to our temperatures other than what we've been feeling for the past couple of days. Live 5 camera, downtown West Palm Beach, looking pretty good this morning. We've got temperatures that are anywhere from 50 degrees in Okeechobee. We already tiptoed into the upper 40s there. I think we'll do it again over the next few hours. 53 in Vero Beach, 65 Jupiter, 57 Belle Glade, 61 degrees in Delray. Right now, our high temperatures today will be pretty close to just below average for this time of year. 82 in Boca, 81 Boynton, Wellington, the Acreage, 81 West Palm, 80 in Jupiter, a high of 82 in Belle Glade today. Very low humidity. It's going to feel great. 82 in Okeechobee, 79 Sebastian and Fort Pierce, 80 in Port St. Lucie, and about 80 degrees in Stewart today. There's no rain on the radar. The air's a little too dry for that. Northerly winds today becoming more northeasterly later this afternoon. So when we look at Vipercast, you'll see no rain there 9 a.m., no rain around 3 p.m. You get the idea. There's not a chance for rain today. In fact, there's not really a chance for rain tomorrow or Wednesday. That may go up to about 5% for both of those days if we see a couple of showers develop out over the Atlantic. For now, I'm going to leave it at 0, but I might tweak it a little bit over the next couple of days. Temperatures climbing from the low 80s today to mid 80s tomorrow and for Halloween. And then our rain chances start to return on Thursday. A 30% chance for rain. Same goes for Friday. And then breezy conditions with higher chances for rain as we get into the weekend. Also, we turn our clocks back 1 hour this coming weekend.